Hello everyone! Today we'll have a new lesson about MS Word, File, Backstage, and Functions. To recall, Microsoft Word is a complex program used by people for a variety of functions, including business people writing memos and reports, students taking notes in class, home users writing informal or formal correspondence, and people designing flyers and banners to promote events. Word has features designed for each of these types of users. Current versions of the software also include Word collaboration features, designed to make it easy for multiple users to share documents and work on them together. Let us talk about File tab. File tab, or Backstage View, or Office button, or File menu, is another part of Microsoft Word. Office button in MS Word 2007 and File tab for MS Word 2010 or higher version. It provides access to the document level features and program settings. The button in the top left corner in the File tab replaced the Office button from the 2007 version. To exit, click on any other tab. This new tab, or sometimes referred to as Backstage View, lets you easily manage your files. There are options on this tab including the following: automatic print preview, easy access to document properties, quick access or manage permissions, version management, previews of online templates, access help, Word options, and general document options. This can be accessed from the File tab and can be used to manage files and the data about the files, such as creating and saving files, inspecting for hidden metadata or personal information, and setting file options. The Backstage View in which application uses a different color scheme to differentiate it from the others. In Nexus 2010, it is green. Under of this tab is the Save As, Open, and Close. For the info, it displays information about your document and access features to help you manage permissions and versions. This includes Protect Document, Check for Issues, and Manage Versions. For the Recent part, displays your list of recently opened and saved documents. You can pin them to the list by clicking on the pushpin on the far right. It includes recent documents, recent places, quickly access this number of recent documents, and recover unsaved documents. For the new part, it access to templates or to a blank document. It includes available templates, blank document, back, forward, and home. While for the print part, some of these options can be found on the Print Layout tab, includes a print preview and previous print dialog box controls. It includes print, copies, printer, settings, and pages. Next, the Save and Send part, options for sending and sharing documents. It includes send using email, save to web, save to SharePoint, publish as blog post, change file type, and create PDF or XPS document. And for the help part, application options and some useful resources such as Microsoft Office Help, Getting Started, Contact Us, Options, and Check for Updates. And that is for the lesson about MS Word, File, Backstage, and Functions. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.